Hey guys, welcome to our channel, the Bisdakers. If you're new to this channel, please like and subscribe. You already know how it goes. And also, we will try to upload as much as we can. So please stay tuned for more random and hopefully fun videos. And before I forget, shout out Kati Sheila Abney for hooking me up with this wine. Hopefully this will help me finish all my unfinished assignments that are due Saturday. I haven't even started. And shout out po sa akong cousin Lester St. Cortez. That's it. You guys be safe and good luck. Much love.